Joaquin San Juan Manansala.
Ang importante, kung anong laman ng puso mo.
Ako po yung estudyanteng kilala nyo na may pencil case. Pencil case. Meron siyang pencil case. At nagsuka. Nagsuka sa picture frame. Pero panahon na po siguro para makilala niyo ako, hindi lang bilang ang estudyanteng nagsuka sa harap ninyong lahat. I can be more than that. I can be your first-year batch representative. I have a few plans once I become your representative. Plans of making operational the recycling center. Tulong-tulong po nating lutasin ang garbage problem ng school. Plans of fixing the parking system para wala ng estudyanteng malilate dahil lang naghahanap ng parking slots. I-improve din natin ang ating Wi-Fi connection so you can have free access to the fastest internet possible anytime. These are just some of the plans I have. Bottom line, iisa lang ang ibig sabihin nun. I plan for Malaya University to remember our batch as the batch who made things happen. As I am a man of few words, I'm saying, tama na ang salita. It's time for action.
Salamat, Joaquin.